There's that old flathead V8, it's purring like a kitty. We're getting ready to load up, head down to the Oregon Logging Conference, get our booth set up. We'll see everybody tomorrow. This is a 1946 Ford. '46 Ford with a 1941. This is a baby Page trailer. It's not like a full-size one. It's only got smaller axles with 5 lug nuts per side, and little tiny wheels, tires, and it's only 7 feet wide. Looks just like the big ones, but it's a baby. Dad got the light working here on the trailer, and the housing for that light is the outside housing to an old starter. Even got the tag and serial number and all that stuff on it. Water on the brakes. Got the water tank here on both ends of the trailer. Bob Peterson up at Contour Design in Beaverton made these custom hubs for the trailer. They look just like the old ones, but they're remakes, and they got Mom and Dad's log brand in the top of them.